If you keep making this one money mistake over and over again, you could work your entire life and still never build real wealth. The scary part is millions of people do this every single day without realizing how badly it's hurting their future. Most people want wealth. They want financial freedom, less stress, more choices, more security, a better future. But wanting wealth and building wealth are two completely different things, because wealth is not built by random decisions. It's built by consistent financial habits. And today, we're talking about one behavior that quietly keeps people financially stuck for years: spending everything you earn. Section 1. The paycheck trap. Most people live paycheck to paycheck, not always because they earn too little, but because they spend almost everything they make. The cycle looks like this.